Hello, my dear family members. You must be worried about your upcoming interview round at Capgemini, right? Maybe this is the first interview of your life, that's why you are feared of this. But what Rockefeller says is that don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. So, when you will start thinking that this is my life and I will be the driver of my own car, not anyone else, who the hell is the interviewer to decide about my life's destiny? Be confident and trust yourself, right? By the way, in this video we are going to discuss most asked interview questions from technical part. Just remember, if you are from core branch, let's say if you are from electronics, then they can ask you from OSI model, different diodes and their operations, optical communications, design of marks, telecommunication, mobile communication, 2G, 3G, 4G, etc., right? So to know the exact questions, you can refer to the Java T Point website. You will get the main questions. Okay, and if you are from electrical bench, then they can ask you from transformer, motor, generator and basic electrical questions like what is the voltage, current, capacitor, resistor, resistance, etc., etc., right? So to get the actual interview questions, refer to the Java T Point website. You will get the electrical questions related to Capgemini interview. Okay, apart from this, they will ask technical questions to everyone which are common for all. So let's discuss one by one, which will be very much helpful to you. Okay. So the first question is this: what is the use of static keyword? So as you know, the static keyword in Java is used to indicate that a particular member belongs to the type itself. It can be used with the variable, it can be used with the methods, right? Whenever you are using static with the variables or the methods, these variables or methods can be used in the main method without creating the object of the class, right? Because they are connected with the class itself, not with the object, right? And if you are using static keyword, then we can optimize the memory, because memory allocation for the static method static keyword is happened only once when the class is loaded, right? So I hope you understood. And just remember, these answers are just a starting point. You should elaborate on this concept with examples and relate them to your personal experiences during the interview, right? So I hope you will give importance to this. So let's go to the next question, that is this: can we implement interfaces in a single Java class? So what should be your answer? Just think a little, then start matching if you are right or not. So a single Java class can implement multiple interfaces. Yes, this is possible. This allows for a form of multiple inheritances, as a class can inherit types and methods from multiple source interfaces, right? Just remember, give a real-time example or the syntaxes whenever you can. If you are giving Accenture interview, then there might be 20 minutes of for your slot, right? So this is enough for the answering. But if you are giving TCS or any other company's exam interviews, then please elaborate more, right? Okay, so let's go to the next question, that is regarding significance of the super and this keyword. So what is super and this keyword? The super keyword in Java is used to refer to the immediate parent class object. That means immediate superclass, and it's often used to invoke the superclass's constructor or methods. And what's this keyword? This keyword refers to the current instances of the class and is used to access class variable and methods, right? I hope if they are not satisfied, if they want more, then please give them syntax and examples, right? Okay, so the next question is, what is runtime polymorphism and how it is achieved? Whenever you will be asked this question, then at first start giving answer with polymorphism. What is polymorphism? So polymorphism is like a phenomena when a same method act like differently and in different time, different location, right? I hope you will understand. Then start giving the types. What are the different type of polymorphism? The runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism. Then start answering actual question, what is runtime polymorphism? So runtime polymorphism is also known as dynamic method dispatch, is a process in which a call to an overridden method is resolved at runtime rather than compile time. In Java, this is achieved using what? This is achieved using method overriding. and the compile time polymorphism is achieved using method overloading. I hope you understand. And if they want more examples, then give the examples, right? I hope you will keep the examples. Okay, the next question is, what are the differences between arrays versus array list in Java? So, as you know, the arrays are fixed size data structure, and these are having similar data types, and they cannot have the inbuilt functions. But array list have a dynamic size, and it can be resized as needed, and the array list have multiple inbuilt functions, and array list can have hybrid data types, right? I hope you understood. So the next problem can be the diamond problem in Java. So as you can see in the picture, the diamond problem occurs in scenarios where a class inherits from two classes that have a common base class. As you can see in the picture, this class D is inheriting from these two classes B and C, and they have a common base class A, right? So in this scenario, this diamond problem occurs, right? Java avoids this type of problem by not allowing multiple inheritances of classes and by using interfaces instead, right? As you can see, by using interfaces, we can solve this problem. Okay, so the next problem is, what's the difference between C, C++, and Java? I'm just giving you the basic information about these. C is the procedural language, C++ is the middle level language, Java is the high level and object oriented programming language. C is mainly used for system programming, and C++ is mainly used for system programming and developing game softwares, and Java is mainly used for security, portability, and simplicity of while building softwares, right? And I hope you will add more, right? Okay, the next question is, what is lambda expression in Java? So before answering this question, start giving the answer of functional interfaces. What is functional interfaces? The interfaces which is having only one abstract method, that is single abstract method, and then start answering what is lambda expression. So the lambda expression in Java is a way to represent instances of a functional interfaces, and they provide a clear and concise way. This term is very important, concise way. They provide a clear and concise way to implement methods using an expression, and using lambda expression we can make the code more readable, and we can reduce the code lengthiness, right? And using the lambda expression, we can simplify event handling in GUI application, right? Okay, so let's go to the next problem. The next problem is increment operators. You will be given two variables like var plus plus and plus plus var. What is the difference between them, you are asked? So the var plus plus is the post increment operator which returns the value before incrementing, while plus plus var is the pre-increment operator which increments the value first, then returns it. Okay, I hope you understood. Then the last question whichever asked to him was memory allocation in C. As he has referred, C is the second language of him, so he has been asked from C. So what's please discuss about memory allocation in C. So this is a quiz question for you. Please give the answer in the comment section. Let's see who has the best way to give the answer. Okay, so I hope you loved this session. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding any company that you want. And please join our Telegram channel t.me/ubkanna. You will get more updates about Capgemini, interview results, etc. etc. Right? And if you want the prime materials of any company, then please knock me at my Insta ID, instagram.com/techno.ef. You will get it. Okay. So thank you for today's session.
Reach for the peak.